Kevin, can you come in here real quick? Kevin, can you come in here real quick?
Jack, relax. What's your problem, buddy?
Well, we have a lot of problems. Do you see what I'm looking at right here? Do you see it?
No, looks good to me.
The June region, June of last year.
Looks pretty consistent with all other months.
Well, that's where you're wrong. We had way too much inventory. We thought that a lot of kids were going to be staying in Iowa City, and you know what? A lot of them decided, hey, let's go home and see our parents. So, we lost a lot of inventory. We didn't sell it, it all went to waste, and now we're at a net loss. So, can you do something for me?
Yeah. Let me call
You sure?
corporate. Let's get
Yeah,
on the phone.
yeah.
See if they
Call
got
corporate, we need someone in here.
Sounds good.
All right, thank you, Kevin. You're doing great. Hey, Kevin, what's up? Come on in.
Hey, Jack, good news. Just got off the phone with corporate. They're on the way.
All right, let's get the intern in here. Chinlu, can you come in here for a sec, please?
Yes, sure.
All right, apparently corporate's going to be here any minute, and wow. Come on in.
Hey, how are you?
Good, my name's Jack.
My name is Xiang.
These are my fellow workers. This is
Hi.
our intern.
So what can I help you today?
So, as you can see from our numbers here, somebody made a big screw up last year. Big one.
I can see from it.
And yeah, I know. So we were thinking, you know, maybe you could help us out. So next year we actually make a profit in June. Is there any way you could do that?
Of course, I can do the forecasting for you guys, but I will charge $1,000 for that. Are you okay with it?
Oh Lord, as you can see, we're kind of strapped for cash. But how about $100 and what are you thinking?
$100.
50 bagels?
Oh, I love it. Let's make
All
a deal.
right, let's
Sounds
do
good.
this. Sounds good.
Okay, I recommend you guys to use the moving average to forecast the demand in June. Here's the equation for the moving average. The F means forecast and the D means demand. And we can do it in two ways. The first equals to 2. The second equals to 3. And if we, for example, if we want to get the data for the week 1 in June, we can just put the numbers from the past 2 weeks, which is the weeks 3 and week 4 in May. And we put the information into the equation, we can get the answer 150. Then the following data is here.
All right, this makes sense to me. All right, I wish we had this last year. Which one would you go with?
I think you should use the moving average method with n equals to 3.
Why?
Because I used more data, it's more accurate.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you. Here's your money, and
thank you so much.
hopefully it helps us out next year.
Okay. Hey, don't forget the bagels.
Oh, trust me, I will not forget
Okay,
the bagels.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
See you.
Drive safe. Oh my God, thank God he came. This looks like it's really gonna help us next year. What do you guys think?
I don't know. Something about this seems fishy. I'm not talking about bagels and wax.
Really?
Yeah, he's exactly right. And there's actually a way to find a better forecast. And I'll show you. According to what I learned from the operations management class, there is a concept called mean absolute deviation, and we can actually use that to choose the better moving average. And the way to do that is calculate the difference between the demand and forecast, and use the absolute value of the difference, add them together and divide it by the number of the forecast. For example, the demand is 146 and forecast is 150, so the absolute value of the difference is 4. So according to this method, we add all the absolute values together and divide it by the 4, and we get the MAD equals to 5.25. And for n equals to 3, we got the MAD equals to 11.25. Therefore, we can choose that n equals 2 is the better way.
Let me see that. Oh my God. Yeah, thank God we didn't listen to him and go with moving average of n equals 3. I think we're actually gonna start paying you money. God knows I'm not gonna be sending that guy any bagels.